ngoZulu ngoba uZulu uyiqiniso bona lokho kubonile ngisho kuthiwa kuncane kangakanani kodwa siyakwazi thina ukuthi singayengakalani 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 wala watofu ade ukutholakala komuntu eposta isithombe esenziwe ngalantu AI siyazi ukuthi lento kuthiwa ama AI ayintsha namhlanje indala khona movie eyabukwa zingane yazabukwa yithini kuthiwa Fast and Furious kwazi kwaqhamuka lengoma lethi it's been a long day without you my friend nani see you again and see you again see you again see you again lompana owada udumo waphahlazwa imoto phesheya kwelwandle which was one of the favorite in that Fast and Furious. Some of the stars are multi-millionaires. Some of the stars within the Fast and Furious are multi-billionaires with lies. Movies can be exaggerated, but Fast and Furious was the launch of AI, artificial technology. Ngoba ngikhuluma nje mina ngumuntu oganiwe ngiganwe isithembo enginabafazi untatala labafazi 4 abafazi oyedwa usawufuna inhlonipho kuwo ngisengaqhubeka futhi I'm willing to do so. Into ebalekile ke njengamanje ukuthi ayikho into eyichashaza njengokuthi ngithi mina ngisebenze kanzima ukutholakala mina nginabafazi bami ngoDisemba noma uKhisimusi noma ekhaya ngoba ekulukhuni kabi baqoqa uncwashwa uthi shoot into enzima kabi indaba yesithembu ngitshela ukuthi mina isibindi sokugana umfazi kukhona omunye lezi inkabe enithuma ukuthi yobulala abantu ayinasibindi umuntu nesibindi umuntu okwazi ukutshela umfazi kukhona omunye ethi uyeza omunye nalo wekhawa yakutshela ke mina worse in a now situation ajikahlala lo mfazi hayi bephamba nesangweni yangithi ngithini ile nto le ibalekile kodwa kuba likhuni ukutholakala nangabahlanganise endawonye kodwa AI yona ingakwenza overnight singatholakala ngisho kuthiwa senza i3 sum intwile kuthiwa ama 5 sum 5 sum ngenxa AI ngakho ke mina njengo president amabhinqi without being instructed I command and prohibit AI to the Zulu kingdom and to the Zulu nation and at large ngoba iweya thina siwuZulu simningi thina siwuZulu singamaqhawe thina siwuZulu siyayifela into yethu siyiqiniso asingasheshwa namanga siwuZulu ngiyacelela ngamza kwethu ngoba umashedwa namanga siyalulazwa kwesinye isizwe senziwa sibe buthaka ubuqhawe bethu buyalulazeka ngiyacela ngamza kwethu thina sikwazi ukulimpa siyithi ngqo ake sibe original kuyichilo ngibona mina ingonyama yethu ndlokombane yenziwe iAI kufakwe ubhuzane ngemva lama toys akehona uZulu emveni kwalokho ngibona isilo sethu uma isiZulu kazwelithini efaka ubhuzane ngemva twehlangana Zulu ngoba you are selling the wrong message to an enemy yonke besilwa ngeke sinqobe ngoba is a fake war. And even when we defeat enemies, so khandelwa ngisho idumbu esesiyibulele ukuthi sesibulele indumbu engaka empini sesinqobe kangaka sesibulele amabhilidi angaka, then we are slowly being turned to a non-existing nation that one once upon a time 200 years ago that have existed. We as a Zulu nation, we command and defeat ukuthi umuntu ozoke enze iAI somvulele icala ngoZulu ngoba uZulu iqiniso. Bona lokho kubonile ngisho kuthiwa kuncane kangakanani kodwa siyakwazi thina ukuthi singayengakalani 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 singayengakalani